Good morning to our viewers, and again, welcome to Legal Lounge with Attorney Bueno and Erica. So, hi Attorney, sorry nag-request talaga ako nito sa yung special cut na to.
Oo nga eh. So, ito is a special episode ni Erica.
Si Attorney, kasi naman, after episode 3 natin, Attorney, nag-check ako dito sa Facebook page natin. Ang dami ng inquiries.
Ganun ba? Marami nag-interest dun sa
dun sa Golden Visa natin, sa Entrepreneur's Visa. Sobrang dami, Attorney. So, hindi ko na sila alam paano replyan isa-isa. So, parang sabi ko, Attorney, baka naman pwede mag-video tayo ng short clip lang para lang i-tackle to mga tao na to.
Ano ba yung mga na-encounter mong questions? Yung mga importante na pwede nating i-discuss sa very briefly.
Actually, Attorney, number 1 talaga, again, paano ba yung visa application, gaano katagal ang processing time, and of course, ano uli yung mga benefits nitong program na in-offer natin sa ating viewers.
Okay, so if the questions that you encountered were all about the Golden Visa and the Entrepreneur's Visa, so let's start with the Golden Visa.
Yes, po.
Yung Golden Visa kasi, this is an investment opportunity for international people like the Filipinos. Na kung saan yung interested investors need to invest at least 500,000 euro or the equivalent of 30 million pesos. Doon nga sa episode number 3 namin, doon sa Legal Lunch with Attorney Bueno and Erica, ay diniscuss namin yung required amount of investment na 30 million pesos.
Yes. So, siguro, Attorney, marami talaga tayong kababayan na may 30 million pesos.
Marami. Kasi,
kaya ang dami nagchat-chat dito sa Facebook page natin.
Kasi kung bibili ka ng condominium unit sa BGC, magkano ba?
Kaya na din yung price,
30, 40, 50 million or even more than 50 million pa nga sa BGC kung mga 2 to 3 bedrooms yan. So, kung meron kang 30 million at will give you the opportunity to become a citizen of Spain without abandoning your Filipino citizenship, bakit hindi?
Yes,
diba?
tama.
So, ang requirement lang, 30 million investment in a property and then wala kang criminal record, then you have the financial capacity to support yourself while staying in Spain. But you have another option nga na kapag ayaw mo mag-stay down for the next 2 years, pwede lang once a year, pwede ka lang pumasyal-pasyal. And then make the investment as part of your passive income. So, sabi mo nga, paano kung wala yung 30 million pesos?
Oo, meron nga dito, Attorney, sinasendan ako ng business proposal. Kasi nakita nila doon sa last video natin na pwede pala, basta malikot lang yung utak mo, di ba? Pwede kang mag-propose ng business dito sa Spain. So, paano naman yun, Attorney, yung isang type ng visa natin?
That would fall under the Entrepreneur's Visa. Kung wala kang 30 million pesos, but you have sufficient amount of funds to start a business, and that business is something that is unique at creative siya, innovative type of business, then they may file an application for the Entrepreneur's Visa. Katulad, kung gusto nyo makuha yung mga examples, ando doon sa...
Huwag na natin i-ano lahat, Attorney. Kasi meron na po talaga kami video for this no? So, kung meron kayong extra time, nag-scroll lang naman kayo sa phone ninyo, why not visit our other YouTube channel po, no? It's a Legal Lounge with Attorney Bueno and Erica. And we have a specific video about this topic. Very specific topic po.
At may example pa ng type of business na pwede nyo pasukan.
May business proposal pa doon na binigay si Attorney, no?
Para mag-qualify kayo sa Entrepreneur's Visa na hindi mo kailangan mag-invest ng 30 million. Walang required minimum investment and then you may qualify for the Entrepreneur's Visa, di ba?
Yes, Attorney. So, ayan, we hope you enjoyed or liked our short recap about this investment proposal sa ating mga kababayan na may mga extra resources dyan, ay naghahanap talaga ng paglalagyan ng kanilang mga kayamanan na wala kami ni Attorney. So you are very welcome to visit our YouTube channel. Once again, it is Legal Lounge with Attorney Bueno and Erica.